In previous video, we have explained you the installation of Marketplace module. Now let's see how admin can have full control on the seller. Go to the module configuration page. Here you can set the approval setting. You can set either manual or auto approval settings for the seller requests, seller products and seller reviews. If set to no, then the request will be auto approved, and if set to yes, then admin has to manually approve each request one by one. Let's set each one of them as yes and click on save to save the changes. Now to check the flow of the module, we have to go to the customer account where he can set the seller request to become seller on your store. For that, he has to fill a form. Let's fill the shop name, then the shop description, after that the shop logo, then the seller name, then his phone number, next one is fax number, business email ID, then his address, his Facebook ID, if there is one, his Twitter ID, these are not the mandatory fields. Now he has to agree the terms and condition and click on register to register himself as seller. As admin has selected to approve by himself, then the seller request has sent to admin. Now he has to approve it. Go to backend. Here you can see the Marketplace Management tab. Go to Manage Seller Profile tab. Here you can see the seller request and the status is pending. Admin will approve this status. After approval, the seller can see his Marketplace account from where he can manage his shop. Now seller will add product by filling a short form. He can choose the condition of the product, whether it is new, used or refurbished. He has to give some base price, quantity. He can select the category, upload the image and add product. Now he can see the product list from Product List tab. See the status, it is pending. Now admin has to approve the product. Go to Backend, Marketplace Management tab and Manage Seller Product. You can see the status is pending and there is no Prestashop product ID. Once the status is approved, it will create a Prestashop product ID, and on front end seller can see see the status is changed to approved. Now this product is visible to all the users. Now let's sign up as a user or as a customer. As a customer can see the seller product. He can click on the product to go to the product page. Now, if customer wants to write the reviews for the seller, then he can visit the seller profile and can write the review over here. Give the rating and send the request. Since admin has activated that he will manually approve the product seller's reviews, so now check the backend, go to marketplace management tab, and in the manage seller reviews you can see the status of the review is pending. Now you can change the status to approved. Now there is no pending reviews. Now let's sign in again as a seller to check the seller reviews. To check the seller review, go to the seller profile. You can see the seller review is now activated on the seller profile and every user can see that seller review. This is how an admin can have full control on the seller.